Hi everyone, and welcome back to Ruwac Quick Tips. Today we're going to be discussing motor replacement and a switch change. Let's start off with safety. Glasses and gloves, everyone. Alright, just pull the wires off the switch. Alright, put this aside for now. Let's discuss switch replacement. Just grab a flat blade screwdriver, and there's two little clips in here. A little bit of pressure. This pops right out. Pop your blue leads off. Put it back in the same orientation it came out in. Pop your blue leads back on. And that's all there is for switch replacement. Let's go back to this motor. Got to rotate this, make sure it sits flush on here. Alright, now we'll just find the holes that it matches with. Right there. Start by hooking up our ground wire. Don't over tighten any of these screws here. Get your black and your white. Hook them up to your switch. Drop it down. This is the most complicated part. You just got to line the holes up underneath. Get all your screws to line up. We're going to start them by hand. And then go in a star pattern. That's just everything aligning itself. I'm just going to go around once and make sure they're all cinched down evenly. Alright, now we're ready to install this right back on the base. You'll feel the gasket. It'll either tilt this way or tilt that way if it's not lined up. Tighten down your screws. Finger tight for now. Plug in your unit, and when you turn this machine back on, close off the inlet and just tighten these screws down until they're tight. And you'll be ready to use your vacuum again, guys. Have a great day.